people are going to ask you is, what is your secret of success? Now, in my opinion, this business has been overcomplicated by everyone around the world. If you ask me to simplify my secret of success in this business, it's one word, it's attitude. Nothing else. Attitude, I have learned from a very young age that your destiny in life and everything you do in life is 100% dependent on your attitude. Attitude. Alright? And most people, their attitudes suck big time. Okay? So many examples. How do you go into your office after you had a bad guy overtake you? How do you go to the office? Bloody idiot. You go into the office, instead of starting your work, you know what happened to me today? I was on the road, this moron cut. Oh, I tell you, oh my God, I blah, 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 blah. And your whole day starts to deteriorate because of a split second of negative attitude. And who controls your attitude? Ultimately, who controls your attitude? Hello? Who controls your attitude? You. Nobody. Nobody on this planet can control your attitude except yourself. Generally, attitude to me, my success in network marketing, or generally in anything I do, is an attitude. You can ask anyone who has been with me long enough, you will never see Patman in a bad mood. You will never see Patman down. You will never see Patman allowing himself to be affected by the environment if the environment is negative. I will go to a funeral and make it a positive event. Do you understand? Hey, let's bless the guy's soul. He died. He's going to heaven. Be happy for him instead of rolling on the floor and crying and all that. You understand or not? Alright? Now can I have a whiteboard? Let me show you when you die how you can leave more money to your family. This is you. This is 250. Alright? Unbelievable. Yeah, you understand? And a lot of people get irritated with my attitude. A lot of my friends who are not in the network think I am high on drugs all the time. I don't take drugs. Alright? I don't consume alcohol. Okay? Right? And I'm just high on life. But it is not that I went for some super duper training or went through a hypnotic past life regression or whatever. It is just a decision. Vijay told me you make a decision and you stick to it. So many years ago, I made a decision to enjoy every moment I'm alive. To enjoy every second. To not allow the rest of the world to control how I feel. You understand or not? Hey, so what? This fell down, that fell down, car doesn't start, alright, car gets punctured. You know, I've seen people on the road fuming when their tire gets punctured, right? My tire gets punctured, I am excited. I am excited. Because I want to evaluate who's going to stop and help me change my tire. And if that person stop and change my tire, I have a chance of building a relationship and putting him in my prospect list and showing him the plan eventually. And if she is a gorgeous woman, add her to my other prospect list and possibly become my wife one day. You understand or not? Alright? So sometimes I simply put nails on the road where I drive just to puncture my own tire. But it's an attitude. Now I want you to look at your own lives right now and gauge your attitude.